Hey smart home enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Ever stared at your Schlage Keypad lock, needing to change a user code, and suddenly realized you have no idea where your programming code went? You're not alone. That little code is the master key to managing your Schlage lock, and losing it can be a real headache. But don't worry. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to find the programming code for your Schlage Keypad lock, ensuring you stay in control of your home security. Let's dive in. Why you need your programming code. Before we jump into finding it, let's quickly explain why this code is so important. The programming code, often called the master code, is essential for tasks like adding new user codes for family or guests, deleting old user codes, changing lock settings, enabling or disabling features like vacation mode. Without it, you're pretty much stuck with the current setup. So let's get that critical Schlage programming code back into your hands. Method 1. Check your original documentation. The first and often easiest place to look for your Schlage Keypad lock programming code is in the original documentation that came with your lock. Step 1. Locate your Schlage manual. This could be a physical booklet, or if you registered your product, sometimes an emailed PDF. Step 2. Look for a sticker or card. Schlage often includes a separate sticker or card with your default programming code printed on it. It might be labeled Programming Code or Initial Programming Code. This is usually a 4-digit to 10-digit number. Step 3. Check inside the lock's packaging. If you still have the box, sometimes these stickers are affixed to the inside flap or a plastic bag. Method 2. Inside the lock's interior assembly, common for Schlage Connect, Encode, etc. If you can't find the documentation, don't despair. Many Schlage electronic locks, especially models like the Schlage Connect or Schlage Encode, have the programming code printed on a label on the interior assembly. Step 1. Remove the interior cover. You'll typically need a small Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws holding the interior escutcheon, the part of the lock on the inside of your door, in place. Step 2. Carefully pull off the interior cover. Be gentle, as it may still be connected to wires in some models. You don't need to completely disconnect it, just get enough access. Step 3. Locate the white sticker. Look for a white sticker on the back of the interior assembly. This sticker will have important information, including your programming code, or Schlage code, clearly printed. It's usually a 6-digit number. Step 4. Note down the code. Write it down in a safe, memorable place. Step 5. Reassemble the lock. Carefully place the interior cover back on and secure it with the screws. Test your lock to ensure it's functioning correctly. Method 3. Resetting the lock to factory defaults. Last resort. If you've tried the above methods and still can't find your Schlage programming code, your last resort is to perform a factory reset. Be warned, this will delete all existing user codes and settings. You will need to reprogram your lock from scratch after this. Step 1. Remove the battery cover. Step 2. Disconnect the battery pack. Step 3. Press and hold the Schlage button, or outside button, on the keypad. While holding it, reinsert the battery pack. Step 4. Continue holding the button until you hear 3 beeps. This usually takes about 10-20 seconds. Release the button. Step 5. Your lock is now reset. The default programming code for many Schlage locks after a factory reset is either 0 or 1234. Check your specific model's manual for its default programming code, which should now be active. You can then use this code to set up a new custom programming code and user codes. Special tips and FAQs. Tip 1. Write it down. Once you find your programming code, write it down and store it somewhere safe but accessible, like a home security binder or a secure digital note. Tip 2. Change the default. If your programming code is still the default from the factory, or if you just found it, I highly recommend changing it to something unique and memorable. Refer to your Schlage manual for steps on how to change the programming code. FAQ. What if my lock doesn't have a visible sticker? Some older or less common models might not. In that case, referring to the manual for a factory reset procedure is your best bet. And there you have it. Finding your Schlage Keypad lock's programming code doesn't have to be a mystery. With these steps, you should be able to regain full control over your electronic lock settings and keep your smart home secure. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. Share it with a friend who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and tutorials. Got a question about your Schlage lock or another smart device?